delicious ribs on the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco, and some barbecue chicken wings on the grill? Let's check it out. Well, it's early fall in upstate New York, and we're gonna have a barbecue. I have some family coming up, so we're gonna make some ribs, and I was thinking about some barbecue chicken wings, special request from my mom. But we're gonna throw together a couple salads and really have a feast. Potato and mac salad? Yes, sir. On top of that, we prepared the wings the night before. We cooked them at 225 till we reached an internal temp of 160, put them in the fridge until we hit the grill tomorrow. Quick trim, pull the membranes, and then we'll get them seasoned up. Salt and pepper today. Not much more until the end. You'll see. Stay tuned. Finally, 225. This is what we're cooking at today. Today's cook's a 4-1 cook. I like to call it a 4-1 cook because 225 for 4 hours, we're going to pull them, we're going to wrap them, we're going to get them back on for an hour. A little bit of sauce, throw them back on for 10-15 minutes to thicken them up a bit, and then we're good to go. Time to get those wings grilling. So I pulled them out of the fridge. I let them sit for an hour, hour and a half. Bring them up to room temperature. Then sauce them up, throw them on the grill, and we'll just flip sauce until it looks good. And when we flip and sauce, it's only for a minute or two. Well, time flies when you're barbecuing. It's been 4 hours. We're gonna go ahead and pull those ribs. Ooh, they look great. And this is where the additional seasoning comes in. Today, sweet rub of mine. Awesome, my favorite actually, and some maple syrup. So not too much, lightly coated, wrap them up, give them some moisture, get them back on the grill. 1 hour. Hey you watching our video, thank you so much, we appreciate you. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up, let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. These are going to be delicious. I can't wait. Let's get back to those wings.
I love you.
After an hour, we unwrapped. We put a light coating of barbecue sauce on top, put them back on for 15 minutes. Once it got sticky, we pulled them back. Look at them ribs. I can say this, seriously, wholeheartedly, this is the best rib I've ever eaten. Delicious. Thanks for watching.